Good evening, students. Today we will study the chapter number 1, Solid State. A new topic is packing of constituent particles. Packing of constituent particles. It means coordination number, arrangement of coordination number means the number of nearest neighbors touching atoms to any other constituent atoms in crystal system is called coordination number. Means जब कंस्टिट्यूएंट एटम्स को हम एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करके टच करके और उसको हम एक सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करते हैं तो जो आपस में उसकी जो कनेक्टिविटी होती है, एक एटम जितने अपने नियरेस्ट एटम से क्या अटैच होता है सेंटर पोजीशन में, तो एक एटम जितने अपने नियरेस्ट एटम से अटैच होता है सेंट्रल पोजीशन में, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. एग्जाम्पल 1D packing, it means one dimensional packing. You will see there all the atoms are attached to each other in a sequence wise. So if we see the center of the atom in the one dimensional packing, you will see there only one line is situated there. So in this line one atom is attached both sides of the atom. In this way we can see the coordination number of 2 means one atom is attached to the nearest 2 atoms left and right, so that 2 atoms which is attached to the one central atom, it is called coordination number. So in one dimensional packing only one line, in a one line all the atoms are situated, so only we can calculate the coordination number of the only with this atoms. You will see there this atom is attached with the nearest 2 atoms 1 and 2, so that's why coordination number of this atom first and second is called 2. So coordination number is 2, that is called coordination number of 1D, one dimensional packing structure. Coordination number 2 also known as nearest neighbor, also known as. Second example we have 2D packing. 2D packing, it means two dimensional packing. You will see there in two dimensional packing it is divided into two types: 2-dimensional square packing and 2-dimensional hexagonal packing. In 2-dimensional square packing you will see there all the constituent atoms are arranged in a sequence wise, first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So fourth row, fifth row, you will see there all the atoms are attached with each other as a sequence. Some gaps you will see there between the atoms, like these are the gaps. In these type of gaps you will see all over the situated atoms. So two dimension, it means direction of the this square packing structure you will see there toward the one direction, and second is this axis. So only two direction you will see there. From any other corner you can see this is one direction, this is second direction, one direction, second direction, overall two directions situated there. So that's why this is called the two dimension. And how you will see, you will represent the square type structure. So in this two dimension square packing structure, all the atoms are arranged in a sequence form. So this is a one atom in this square packing structure. It is attached with the four type of another atoms, means this center atom is surrounded by this four types of atom in its surrounding. So that's why when you will represent by, you will indicate this 1 2 3 4. In this way this is called the center atom. So this center atom is attached with the four these types of atoms. Now you will join the line wise. So when you will join, so overall a square type of structure you will see there, square type of structure you will see there. So that's why total coordination number is 4. Next, two dimensional hexagonal packing structure. So you will see there in this sequence, one sequence of the atom will be like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the first sequence. In another sequence it will be changed as compared to first, because second layer arrangement of the second sequence will be between like this. Suppose two atoms के बीच में ये आपका वन एटम यहाँ पर अरेंज होगा, और इस तरीके से हर एक टू एटम के बीच में ऐसा अरेंजमेंट होगा, और ये सेकंड लेयर जो होगा ये कम का होगा। जैसे आप देखेंगे यहाँ जो फर्स्ट आपका सीक्वेंस है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, मतलब फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस में आपके 7 एटम्स हैं, सेकंड सीक्वेंस में आपके 6 एटम्स होंगे, 1 2 3 4 5 6। सो यहाँ पे जो अरेंजमेंट होगा वो फर्स्ट और सेकंड और थर्ड जो होगा, थर्ड सीक्वेंस में 7 आपके एटम्स अरेंज होंगे लाइक फर्स्ट, और जो टू सेकंड नंबर सीक्वेंस विल बी जस्ट लाइक अ fourth number sequence. It means in this arrangement of the hexagonal close packing structure, first layer will be similar to third layer or third sequence. First sequence is similar to the third sequence, and second sequence is similar to the fourth sequence. You will see there arrangement of the first and third will be same, and second and fourth will be same. And to make the hexagonal structure, you will see there we are taking the first point of one atom, center atom. This is called the center atom. You will see there in each direction. So this atom is attached, and this atom is surrounded by all the 6 another atom. Like this is the first atom. So you will see there 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this 6 atom all the surrounding to the in this central atom. मीन्स वी कैन से ये जो हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग स्ट्रक्चर है, इसमें ये जो सेंटर एटम है ये पूरे 6 एटम से क्या है सराउंडेड है, और इस तरीके से इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर क्या हो जाता है बच्चों 6। इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन में क्या होगा 2 डायमेंशनल हेक्सागोनल पैकिंग स्ट्रक्चर में आप देखेंगे कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर विल बी 6। और इस तरीके से हम 2 डायमेंशनल पैकिंग स्ट्रक्चर को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं। फर्स्ट हमारा 2 डायमेंशनल स्क्वायर पैकिंग स्ट्रक्चर और सेकंड है 2 डायमेंशनल हेक्सागोनल पैकिंग स्ट्रक्चर। सो 2 डायमेंशनल स्क्वायर पैकिंग स्ट्रक्चर का कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 4 होता है और 2 डायमेंशनल हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग स्ट्रक्चर का कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 6 होता है। बेटा इस टॉपिक को आप थोड़ा बहुत ही पेशेंस के साथ, इमेजिनेशन के साथ आपको स्टडी करना है, तभी ये आपको समझ में आएगा। बिकॉज बहुत ही फाइन स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, आगे भी आपको क्या है बहुत ही फाइन तरीके से आपको स्टडी करनी होगी इस टॉपिक में, तभी आपको ये समझ आ पाएगा। थैंक यू।